If you use Todoist to manage your day, knowing how to add or change a priority level can save you a lot of time and help you focus on what matters most. Todoist makes this really easy with smart natural language recognition, so you can set priority instantly while typing without digging through menus. And if you already created a task, you can still upgrade or downgrade its urgency in just a couple of clicks. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Now, let's jump in. First, let's add a priority while creating a new task. Open the task editor by clicking Add Task or simply press Q on your keyboard. This opens the Quick Task window, which is the fastest way to create a task in Todoist. In the task name field, type your task exactly as you want it to appear, and then type P1, P2, P3, or P4 right after it. Todoist will automatically detect that command and assign the matching priority level for you. Here's how that works. P1 is the highest priority, so use that for your most urgent or important tasks. P2 is still important, but a little less urgent. P3 is your normal priority level for tasks that need to get done, but not immediately. And P4 is the lowest priority, which is useful for optional or flexible tasks. The best part is that you do not need to click any priority buttons at all. Just type the task and the priority code together, and Todoist handles the rest. For example, if you type something like Pay electricity bill P1, Todoist will save that task as a high priority item. If you type Review weekly report P2, it will be marked as a slightly lower priority. This natural language input is one of the fastest ways to keep your task list organized, especially if you are adding tasks throughout the day. Now let's say the task is already on your list and you want to change its priority after the fact. Todoist gives you a simple right-click option for that. Find the task you want to update, then right-click directly on the task line. A pop-up menu will appear. Hover your mouse over the priority option and you will see the different flag colors available. Click the flag color you want and Todoist will instantly update the task's priority level. This is especially useful if your schedule changes and something suddenly becomes more urgent, or if a task no longer needs to be at the top of your list. You can move tasks up or down in importance without rewriting them or creating a new one. It is a very clean way to stay flexible while still keeping your workflow organized. A good tip is to use priority levels consistently. For example, reserve P1 only for tasks that truly need attention today. Use P2 for important work you want to tackle soon, and keep P3 and P4 for everything else. That way your priority list stays meaningful and does not get cluttered with too many urgent items. And that is how to add or change a priority level in Todoist. Whether you are typing a new task with P1, P2, P3, or P4, or updating an existing task with the right-click menu, Todoist gives you fast and flexible ways to manage your workload. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.